You've guessed it, you can probably tell by the title. These are the Yeezy 350 Boosts in the triple white, aka cream colorway. They're the V2. Okay guys, so from right out of the box, these things fit like a standard 350. If you've never owned a pair, I'll try and describe it to you. But since I have a couple pairs for myself, it is a standard Yeezy 350 Boost fit. They are extremely comfortable, but they're not the most comfortable shoe I've ever had from straight out of the box. I want to make that clear. The Adidas NMD R1s in the Prime Knit upper variation are probably the most comfortable shoes I've ever had. From right out of the box, simply because that Prime Knit material is super thin and they're a bit of a wider fitting shoe, I suppose, overall. So for my foot type, they're really comfortable. You can slip them on, you can wear them right away. It's got the Boost outsole, and that part is phenomenal in terms of out of the box comfort. The 350 model right here is one of the most comfortable step-in models I've ever stepped in. So as soon as I put my foot into it for the first time, I noticed how unbelievably cushiony these were, and I really think that for step-in cushion, it's the best model I've ever tried on. But the upper takes a little bit of time to soften up, so the more you wear these, the more comfortable they get. The upper is sort of knitted together, but it's a tight knit from right out of the box, so it does take a while to sort of stretch out, soften up. But once you wear them, like I said before, the more you wear them, the more comfortable they get. As far as sizing goes, I like going true to size, but some people do recommend going up half a size. Again, for me, true to size is the way to go. I don't need these to fit super tight. I don't need them to be super snug. I just want them to be comfortable, and for me, true to size is the way to go. And like I said, you walk in them, you use them, you wear them. That's what a sneaker's for. If you wear them, the more comfortable they do get. Another little tip I've never said before in a video, but I will mention it now, is if you want them to sort of be even more comfortable, in my opinion, you can consider taking out the sock liner. Take out the insole, and it just puts your foot directly on top of the Boost material, the outsole itself. And so it creates a little bit more room inside the shoe for your foot to move around and just sort of sit there comfortably. So you could try taking out the insole if ever you find them a little bit snug at the beginning. And then just like I said, wear them and soften them up, and they're gonna be a great shoe for you. So again, my sizing recommendation is go true to size, but you could always go up half a size if you're worried about them being tight. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the Yeezy 350 Boost, the creams. And that's it for today's video. So I'm so happy that you guys came along. Thank you for joining me right here. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have a question, leave it down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. There's a lot of great material coming. So I'm signing off until then. Take care.